In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an age verification app to your Wix website. Ensuring your website complies with age restrictions is crucial, especially if you're offering content, products, or services that are intended only for adults. Let's dive into how you can set this up seamlessly on your Wix site. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser that you commonly use. In the address bar, type in wix.com and hit enter. Once you're on the Wix homepage, navigate to the top right corner and click on the login button. This will prompt you to sign into your account to access your website's dashboard. If you're not already signed in, choose the continue with Google option and log in using your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, locate the dashboard where you can manage your website and select Design Site to start making edits to your Wix site. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand toolbar and click on Add Apps. This section allows you to explore various applications that can enhance the functionality of your website. Here, you'll want to head over to the App Market, which is essentially the Wix App Store filled with a myriad of options. In the app search bar at the top, type Age Check. This will narrow down the available apps and help you locate the age verification app that fits your needs. Once you spot the age verification app option, click on it to learn more about its features. After reviewing the app, click Add to Site to begin the installation process. A pop-up might appear prompting you to agree to the app's terms and conditions. Click Agree and Add to proceed. This action will integrate the app with your site, making it visible on your dashboard. To open the app, simply click on Open and then click on the app element that now appears on your site. This will allow you to adjust its settings and tailor it specifically to your site's requirements. Here's where you can set up the minimum age required, such as 18 or 21, and the message that will be displayed to users who do not meet this requirement. You can also customize the style, colors, and fonts to ensure it blends with your site's aesthetic. Additionally, there's an option to set a redirect for underage visitors, sending them to a different part of your website that's more appropriate. Once you fine-tune the settings to match your preferences, don't forget to click Save. After saving your changes, navigate to Preview to see how the verification prompt looks and functions before it goes live. Finally, once everything is to your satisfaction, click Publish to make it official and start ensuring compliance on your site. Adding age verification to your Wix site doesn't have to be a daunting task. With these simple steps, you'll be safeguarding your content while adhering to necessary regulations. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.